So first I'm laying down some parchment paper, and then I'm going to slice these chicken in half and pound them so that my kids won't eat a whole chicken breast. So I'm gonna cut them and pound them. Trimmed off like the fats and things like that, and then I cut them in half, and then I'm gonna cover them and just pound them so they're all the same like thickness for cooking time. Okay, let's trim them out. That way they'll be easier to roll up as well. I'm realizing now that the only cheese cubes I have were frozen. So I'm just gonna put a few. And the cheese cubes will thaw out. Okay, so those are the cheese cubes. And then I'm just going to take them and roll them up. Probably not one-handed though. I mean, and then with the toothpick, I'll put it right there. And I'm rocking this one hand. So you want to make sure that you get both of the corners and the ham in it. Also one-handed, rocking it.